Dear students, let us see something about a basic instrument, screw gauge. The basic principle of a screw gauge is that of a screw. The different parts of a screw gauge are shown in the diagram. You can have a look at it. Before going to use the instrument, we have to measure its least count. So what is least count? தமிழ்ல மீச்சிற்றளவு அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். The least value that can be measured using the given instrument is called as least count. கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிற கருவியில குறைந்தபட்ச அளவு எது அளக்க முடியுமோ அத மீச்சிற்றளவு அப்படினு சொல்றோம். To find the least count of a screw gauge, first I have to calculate the value of its pitch. That is, I have to calculate the pitch of the screw. So what is pitch? If you look at a screw, you can see a thread running on its surface. The perpendicular distance between the successive threads of a screw is known as pitch. Also, pitch is equal to distance traveled by the tip of the screw divided by number of rotations made. So if you rotate the screw gauge completely once, or if I go for one full rotation, the distance traveled by the edge of the screw is 1 millimeter. So pitch is equal to 1 millimeter divided by 1 is equal to 1 millimeter. Least count is equal to pitch divided by number of head scale divisions. If you look at the screw gauge, you can see that it has 100 head scale divisions. So least count is equal to pitch divided by number of head scale divisions is equal to 1 millimeter by 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Hence, the least count of a screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. You can see two edges, S1 and S2, on the diagram. So I can place an object in between these two edges. So without any object in the two edges, I have to measure its zero error. தமிழ்ல இது சுழிப்பிழை அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. To find zero error, I have to rotate the screw till the two edges S1 and S2 coincide. So at this instant, I have to look at zero of the head scale and the reference line. If zero of the head scale coincides with the reference line, there is no zero error. சுழிப்பிழை இல்லைன்னு சொல்றோம். If zero of the head scale lies above the reference line, the error is negative. In this case, I have to write the error as zero error is equal to minus of 100 minus the coinciding value into least count. For example, if 95 coincides with the reference line, then zero error is minus of 100 minus 95 into least count is equal to minus 5 into 0.01 millimeter is equal to minus 0.05 millimeter. Or in the other hand, if zero of the head scale lies below the reference line, the error is positive. So in this case, I have to write the zero error as zero error is equal to the value coinciding with the reference line into least count. For example, if 3 coincides with the reference line, then the error is equal to 3 into 0.01 is equal to plus 0.03 millimeter. So I can have three possibilities. In the first case, if the two lines coincide, there is no zero error. If zero of the head scale lies above the reference line, then it is negative. If zero of the head scale lies below the reference line, the error is positive. So I can remember this as NOP, negative, nil, positive. If the error is positive, then correction is negative. If error is negative, and the correction is positive. Thank you.